So you might be in this random situation, or for some reason, your sound control or your sound in general is just not working in your iPhone's, control center. So let's say you swipe down from the top or right in your control center, and you're trying to move this sound bar around, but it's either grayed out or it's not working or something like that's happening. The very first reason why something like that could end up happening is maybe you're connected to a device. Maybe you're connected to a device via Bluetooth or via something like that, and you might have to go and disconnect from that other device in order to change it on your actual device. So go through, try seeing if you can essentially try to find that device you're connected to either via Bluetooth or unplug your phone and plug it back in. Sometimes that can end up fixing the problem. It can be a little annoying, but that's probably the first thing I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is trying to see if you can basically restart your iPhone. So hold the volume up button and the side button at the same time. Go through, power off your iPhone, give it a few seconds, power it back on, and you want to go and see if that ends up fixing the problem. For some people, that might end up doing it, and that's another thing I'd probably recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you might want to see if you can update your iPhone. Click on your iPhone settings right here, scroll down until you see General, click into Software Update. Try seeing if you can software update your iPhone, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing here as well. So, those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.